over the edge. Feel like I'm floating through